Let's try to explore Sunny Coast Rainfall Dashboard from Tableau Public. The most interesting thing about this dashboard is these vertical pill-like bar charts because these shapes are not readily available in Tableau Desktop. Second interesting thing about this dashboard is rainwater droplet shape chart, which is showing the cumulative rainfall for each month of year to point out the outliers. Then we have rain capillary image attached to showcase current year's rainfall. Let's deep dive. I have downloaded the Tableau public workbook. Let's start with this vertical pill bar chart and try to see how it is being achieved. There is horizontal container which is placed on top of these two charts which we can remove directly. These are two individual vertical bar charts which we can drill down further. Let's try to go inside one of them. Let's set the font to the black so that it is much more readable. It is very evident that it is not in fact a bar chart but a line chart, which is placed against year and month discrete values. There are two measures are being passed on. One is as a placeholder which will start from 0 and other measure is monthly rainfall in mm. This vertical bar illusion is being created with the help of measure names which is being placed on top of path. If I remove that measure name from path, you will get traditional line chart with constant 0 and actual monthly rainfall. Let's revert it back. The other important thing is to select the linear path to achieve the pill-like shape as well. Let's come back to the original dashboard. The second interesting chart is this droplet effect, which is being achieved with the help of shapes to showcase the outliers and intensity of the rainfalls throughout the years. Let's go inside. For better readability, let's remove the color and enable the bins as well. Seasonal bin is simple if-else statement to group the years together. There are 5 categories based on the year's seasonal groupings, which will act as placeholder in this chart. Custom raindrop shape is selected to achieve this raindrop effect, and their size is being driven with the help of monthly rainfall in mm. There are other dimensions are being added to the detail to add further granularity. Let's go back to the original dashboard. The third interesting thing is this rain capillary effect for current year to showcase this year's rainfall, which is being achieved with the help of simple bar chart. If we remove this chart, we can see the two images are being placed and they are being matched to make an illusion of an rain for capillary measurement. The custom blue map is being used by using the import options available within background maps. The Frets version has this distinct blue color which is being used to match the blue theme of this dashboard. Rest of the dashboard is just an background image which can be replaced to create your own custom themes. This should be enough to experiment with these chart types and custom dashboards. Thank you.